English Comprehension. Question number 76. Select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank. Credit card dash has increased in recent years. Option A, fluke. Option B, freed. Option C, fraud. Option D, flake. And the correct option is option C, fraud. Question number 77. Select the most appropriate option to substitute the bold segment in the given sentence. If no substitution is required, select no substitution. After the old building was pulled out, the building contractor surveyed the progress of the work. Bold segment is was pulled out. Option A, was pulled up. Option B, was pulled over. Option C, was pulled down. Option D, no substitution. And the correct option is option C, was pulled down. Question number 78. Sentences of a paragraph are given below in jumbled order. Arrange the sentences in the right order to form a meaningful and coherent paragraph. A. According to his hypothesis, now known as the neuron theory, each nerve cell communicates with others through contiguity rather than continuity. B. The watershed of all studies of the nervous system was an observation made in 1889 by Spanish scientist Santiago Ramon y Cajal. C. It has since been proved that Cajal's theory is not universally true, but his central idea has remained an accurate guiding principle for all further study. D. That is, communication between adjacent but separate cells must take place across the space and barriers separating them. Option A, A, B, C, D. Option B, C, D, A, B. Option C, B, C, D, A. Option D, B, A, D, C. And the correct option is option D, B, A, D, C. Question number 79. Select the most appropriate synonym of the given word. Tag, in bracket, N. Option A, siphon. Option B, drain. Option C, pump. Option D, label. And the correct option is option D, label. Question number 80. Select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom. Tide someone over. Option A, get a boat ready to cross a river or water body. Option B, ask someone for financial assistance. Option C, complete a voyage successfully. Option D, give temporary help, usually financial. And the correct option is option D, give temporary help, usually financial. Question number 81. Select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank. My neighbor was admitted to the hospital when he developed an allergic dash to some medicine he took. Option A, result. Option B, rejoinder. Option C, reaction. Option D, retort. And the correct option is option A, result. Question number 82. Select the option that can be used as a one-word substitute for the given group of words. One who does not believe in the existence of God. Option A, atheist. Option B, cynic. Option C, anarchist. Option D, egotist. And the correct option is option A, atheist. Question number 83. Select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom. A bad egg. Option A, someone who regularly makes mistakes. Option B, someone who is dishonest and unreliable. Option C, someone who doesn't like eggs. Option D, someone who likes to break eggs. And the correct option is option B, someone who is dishonest and unreliable. Question number 84. The following sentence has been divided into parts. One of them contains an error. Select the part that contains the error from the given options. Part 1. Ranbir could not went. Part 2. To the award ceremony. Part 3. As he was busy. Part 4. Shooting. Part 5. for a film. Part 6 in Maldives. Option A. Ranbir could not went. Option B. For a film. Option C. To the award ceremony. Option D. As he was busy. And the correct option is option A. Ranbir could not went. Question number 85. Select the option that can be used as a one-word substitute for the given group of words. An arrangement of flowers that is usually given as a present. Option A. Boutique. Option B. Bracket. Option C. Basket. Option D. Bouquet. And the correct option is option D. Bouquet. Question number 86. Select the option that expresses the given sentence in passive voice. You can solve this problem. Option A. This problem ought to be solved by you. Option B. This problem should be solved by you. Option C. This problem can be solved by you. Option D. This problem might be solved by you. And the correct option is option C. This problem can be solved by you. Question number 87. Select the incorrectly spelled word. Option A. Consensus. Option B. Articulate. Option C. Colossal. Option D. Magnificent. And the correct option is option A. Consensus. Question number 88. Select the most appropriate option to substitute the bold segment in the given sentence. If no substitution is required, select no substitution. The apple a day keeps the doctor away. Option A. No substitution. Option B. The apples a day. Option C. A apple a day. Option D. An apple a day. And the correct option is option D. An apple a day. Page number 138. Question number 89. Sentences of a paragraph are given below in jumbled order. Arrange the sentences in the right order to form a meaningful and coherent paragraph. A. Dad, yes, tell me. B. Lakshmi, Dad, I need to speak to you. C. Dad, I think you are still too young for it. D. Lakshmi, please buy me a scooter. Option A. BADC. Option B. BCDA. Option C. DCBA. Option D. ABDC. And the correct option is option A. BADC. Question number 90. The following sentence has been divided into parts. One of them may contain an error. Select the part that contains the error from the given options. If there is no error, select no error. Part 1. Modern science have. Part 2. Broken many myths. Part 3. About our food and diet. Option A. No error. Option B. Broken many myths. Option C. About our food and diet. Option D. Modern science have. And the correct option is option D. Modern science have. Question number 91. Select the incorrectly spelled word. Option A. Calendar. Spelling CALENDER. Option B. Cadre. Spelling CADRE. Option C. Commit. Spelling COMMIT. Option D. Carnivorous. Spelling CARNIVOROUS. And the correct option is option A. Calendar. Spelling CALENDER. Question number 92. Select the most appropriate synonym of the given word. Detrimental. Option A. Harmful. Option B. Friendly. Option C. Smart. Option D. Intellectual. And the correct option is option A. Harmful. Question number 93. Select the most appropriate antonym of the given word. Blemish. Option A. Perfection. Option B. Stain. Option C. Damage. Option D. Discoloration. And the correct option is option A. Perfection. Question number 94. Select the most appropriate antonym of the given word anxiety. Option A, certainty. Option B, restlessness. Option C, nervousness. Option D, panic. And the correct option is option A, certainty. Question number 95. Select the option that expresses the given sentence in indirect speech. The professor said to the media persons, "From our research, we have come to the conclusion that there is life on the planet." Option A. The professor informed the media persons that, "From our research, we have come to the conclusion that there had been life on that planet." Option B. The professor said to the media persons, "From our research, you had come to the conclusion that there was life on that planet." Option C. The professor said to the media persons that from their research they had come to the conclusion that there was life on that planet. Option D. The professor told to the media persons that from your research you have come to the conclusion that there is life on that planet. And the correct option is option C. The professor said to the media persons that from their research they had come to the conclusion that there was life on that planet. Directions for question number 96 to 100. In the following passage, some words have been deleted. Fill in the blanks with the help of the alternatives given. Select the most appropriate option for each blank. The five senses: blank 1, sight, hearing, taste, touch, and blank 2, what is sometimes, blank 3, to as a sixth sense is a power to be aware, blank 4, thinks independently of the 5, blank 5, senses, a kind of supernatural sense. Question number 96. Select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank number 1. Option A, are. Option B, of. Option C, is. Option D, in. And the correct option is option A, are. Question number 97. Select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank number 2. Option A, happiness. Option B, smell. Option C, anger. Option D, sadness. And the correct option is option B, smell. Question number 98. Select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank number 3. Option A, reminded. Option B, retained. Option C, referred. Option D, required. And the correct option is option C, referred. Question number 99. Select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank number 4. Option A, off. Option B, at. Option C, on. Option D, in. And the correct option is option A, off. Question number 100. Select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank number 5. Option A, geological. Option B, geographical. Option C, physical. Option D, botanical. And the correct option is option C, physical. पृष्ठ संख्या 139. पृष्ठ संख्या 139 पर इन प्रश्नों के उत्तरों की व्याख्याएं दी गई हैं जो कि पूर्व में प्रश्नों के साथ ही दी जा चुकी हैं। पृष्ठ संख्या 140। पृष्ठ संख्या 140 पर भी इन प्रश्नों के उत्तरों की व्याख्याएं दी गई हैं जो कि पूर्व में प्रश्नों के साथ ही दी जा चुकी हैं। पृष्ठ संख्या 141। पृष्ठ संख्या 141 पर भी इन प्रश्नों के उत्तरों की व्याख्याएं दी गई हैं जो कि पूर्व में प्रश्नों के साथ ही दी जा चुकी हैं। पृष्ठ संख्या 142। पृष्ठ संख्या 142 पर भी इन प्रश्नों के उत्तरों की व्याख्याएं दी गई हैं जो कि पूर्व में प्रश्नों के साथ ही दी जा चुकी हैं। पृष्ठ संख्या 143।